In our journey through the target phase, we've been exploring how crucial it is to systematically identify and evaluate potential AI use cases. It's like casting a wide net to capture every conceivable opportunity where AI might enhance or transform business processes. This isn't just about finding possibilities, but ensuring they align with the strategic goals of the organization.
Exactly, Sarah. And once we identify these initiatives, the next step is crucial, evaluating them. It's like sifting through precious stones to find the gems that are both beautiful and valuable to the organization. We want to ensure that the initiatives we choose to pursue aren't just feasible in theory, but align with the broader objectives and are practical to implement.
And that brings us to the roadmap, which essentially becomes our guide. It prioritizes these initiatives, providing clarity on what to tackle first and why. Without this structured process, organizations risk chasing after shiny but ultimately irrelevant projects, wasting resources and time.
It's a bit like planning a long journey. You need to know not just where you're going, but also the best route to get there, considering all the stops and potential detours. But Sarah, how do we ensure that the initiatives we choose are truly viable and not just strategically aligned?
That's a great question, Rana. It leads us naturally into the next phase of our exploration, assessing feasibility, risks, and opportunities. This is where the quality of our initial data becomes paramount. It helps us rigorously evaluate which initiatives are truly viable and where the risks and opportunities lie.
So it's about digging deeper to ensure our roadmap isn't just a wish list, but a realistic plan. Which raises an important question. How do we measure these aspects effectively to make informed decisions? Let's explore that next.
When it comes to assessing AI initiatives, it's like planning a journey. You wouldn't set off without checking the road conditions, knowing your destination, and having a map to guide you. In organizations, this translates to understanding feasibility, risks, and opportunities before diving into an AI project. It's about gathering quality data upfront to make informed decisions that align with strategic goals.
Absolutely, Sarah. And just like a journey, each initiative needs its own set of benchmarks or KPIs. These are like signposts that confirm you're on the right path and help you adjust if needed. When KPIs are tailored to specific goals, they provide clarity and accountability, ensuring that efforts aren't wasted on initiatives that don't deliver value.
And let's not forget the financial roadmap, estimating CapEx and OpEx. It's crucial to have a clear picture of both the upfront and ongoing costs. This way, leadership can make sound financial decisions like choosing the most promising initiatives that align with the organization's mission.
It's a strategic dance, isn't it? Balancing feasibility, risk, opportunities, and financial insights to prioritize initiatives. This structured approach prevents hasty decisions and ensures resources are directed where they can make the most impact. But with all this planning, there's an underlying element that holds everything together. How do we measure success?
Exactly. And that brings us to the heart of the next step, defining key performance indicators. KPIs are not just numbers, they're strategic tools that tell us if our AI initiatives are truly delivering the intended value. They need to be relevant to stakeholders and aligned with organizational goals to maintain support and confidence.
So the question becomes, how do we ensure that our KPIs not only track progress but also reflect the strategic impact of AI initiatives? That's the next piece of our journey, where we'll explore how KPIs can transform AI from an experimental endeavor into a strategic asset.
When we think about key performance indicators, or KPIs, for AI initiatives, they're much like a compass guiding a ship at sea. They help organizations measure success by providing clear metrics that indicate whether the AI is on course to deliver the intended value. But it's not just about tracking progress. It's about ensuring these KPIs resonate with stakeholders' expectations, creating a shared vision of success. This shared vision strengthens support and ensures everyone is aligned with the organizational goals.
That's quite insightful, Sarah. It sounds like KPIs are not just numbers on a dashboard, they're strategic tools that help navigate AI's journey within an organization. But what happens if these KPIs are misaligned with stakeholder priorities?
Great question, Rana. Misaligned KPIs can lead to a disconnect between investment and perceived value, potentially undermining stakeholder confidence. That's why it's crucial to engage stakeholders in defining and revisiting these KPIs regularly. This collaboration ensures that the AI strategy remains dynamic and aligned with evolving business needs.
So it's a continuous process of aligning and realigning, much like steering a ship through changing tides. But once we have these KPIs set, how do we ensure that AI initiatives are not just progressing but also maturing effectively within the organization?
And that's where AI maturity assessments come into play. They are like a detailed map, tracking the progress of AI initiatives and ensuring they're aligned with both organizational goals and sector-specific needs. This structured oversight helps identify areas for improvement before they become major obstacles. It's about ensuring AI initiatives are not only on track but also evolving in harmony with the broader organizational strategy.
Which raises an important question about how we can leverage these assessments to enhance the maturity and effectiveness of AI initiatives across different sectors. What are the key factors we need to consider for this alignment?
Imagine you're steering a ship through the vast ocean of AI possibilities. The AI maturity assessment is like your navigation system, guiding you through the waves of initiatives and ensuring alignment with your destination, your organizational goals. It allows you to track each project meticulously, identifying what's working and what's not, much like a captain monitoring the ship's course to avoid unseen icebergs. This process not only prevents potential pitfalls, but also ensures that your AI strategies are tailored to the unique needs of each sector within your organization, ensuring a smooth voyage.
That makes sense, Sarah. It's like having a map that not only shows the way but also highlights areas needing improvement before they become major obstacles. With sector-specific alignment, it's as if each department gets its own compass, ensuring AI projects are both relevant and effective. But once we've navigated these waters and assessed our current position, what's the next step in our journey?
The next step is akin to planning the next leg of your voyage. We move into the phase of AI initiative planning, where we identify potential use cases and evaluate their feasibility. It's about casting a wide net to explore all possibilities, ensuring we don't miss out on high-value opportunities. This careful planning helps us chart a course that aligns with our strategic goals and prepares us for the next phase of our AI journey.